Hello everyone, welcome back to the 101 Library. Today, we're diving into a critical topic for solid edge users, the difference between synchronous mode and ordered mode. Understanding these two different modes is essential for 3D modeling. So, let's get started. First, let's briefly explain what synchronous mode and ordered mode are. In solid edge, two environments coexist for creating sketches and model features. These two environments are called synchronous and ordered. A synchronous feature is a collection of faces that define the feature shape. There is no history retained of how a synchronous feature was created. In other words, you create features using a sketch. The sketch is no longer part of the feature definition. You modify a synchronous feature by manipulating the faces that define the shape. This allows for the ability to quickly apply changes to the model. An ordered model feature is history-based. This feature is driven by sketches and can be edited by returning to any step used in the feature creation process. This allows for detailed and more complex designs. Let's look at two examples of both models. When starting a new part in Solid Edge, the synchronous mode is the default mode. You can switch between the two modes by going to Tools, and you can choose your preferred mode. For instance, to switch to ordered mode, click on ordered, and this will switch to the ordered mode. I'll go back to synchronous. Alright, to create a model in synchronous, simply click on the Home tab and let's start a sketch. To do so, you can use any of the sketching tools over here. For instance, let's choose the rectangle tool and draw a rectangle. I'll choose the front plane and I'll draw a 2x4 rectangle. Once your sketch is created, you can extrude it by clicking on extrude and then choose your sketch and simply extrude your sketch. Now you can notice that under the features, your model is no longer connected to the sketch. In other words, I could edit my sketch and my model wouldn't be changing. I'll restore the sketch, and if I decide to, for instance, drag this and make it bigger, you can see that my sketch changed but my model didn't. So how do we adjust this model? It's simple in synchronous mode. Simply click on your model face and synchronous mode will allow you to adjust this face. You could extrude it further. You can change its angle. Let's say 12 degrees. You can see that this can be very handy for simple designs where you could apply simple changes very quickly. Now, let's look at ordered mode and see how it's different. Alright, I started a new part and have changed the mode to ordered. Now, to create a feature in ordered mode, you have to first create a sketch. Click on the sketch tool and select a plane. And this will open the sketch editor. You can similarly create another sketch for a rectangle. Once your sketch is created, you have to close the sketch and your sketch is saved. Now let's extrude this sketch. Click on the extrude tool and select the sketch. I'll extrude this for 2 inches. Now, after your feature is created, you can see that this model is linked under the sketch. To edit the model, you have to apply all the changes to the sketch. For instance, to edit this model, I'll choose my sketch and open it. And then I'll increase this dimension to 3. I'll close my sketch. And you can see that my model updated accordingly. You can see that unlike the synchronous mode, if I click on any face on the feature, the entire feature is selected. To apply any edits, you have to use all the tools available here under the ordered mode. And that's it. The difference between the synchronous mode and the ordered mode is explained simply. I hope you like this video. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more Solid Edge tutorials. Thanks for watching.